How to turn off live photos on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there, and under the content and display tab, you will see the option for accessibility. Tap on that, and now under the motion tab, you will see the animated thumbnail option. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for animated thumbnail, and with this, live photos will be disabled. So, this is how you can turn off live photos on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.